Subscribe and press the bell icon to enjoy more exciting and enlightening videos from Dheya. Hello everyone, welcome to a compelling segment of Career Guru Masterpieces brought to you by Dheya. Today, we are going to have a conversation with our Career Guru, Sujita Naik. Hello ma'am, how are you doing today?
Hello, I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, my pleasure ma'am. I want to start this session by asking you, what exactly made you step out and become a Career Guru?
Well, Shreyas, I have been in the school sector for last almost 25 years, and what I have noticed is there's a lot of confusion among the students. Okay, 10 years back the confusion was less, but now the confusion is more as to which career to choose. Okay, because the career options are varied, so the children are confused. Like, what should I choose? What should I become when I grow up? So initially it used to be either you become a doctor or an engineer, but now the career options are more. So the children are very confused. And moreover, since most of the students spend 10 to 12 years in the school and good 6 hours every day, so I think school can play a very important role when it comes to guiding the children which career to choose and then maybe supporting them to see that they achieve whatever they want to. So I think that made me look out for some type of role in which I can guide the children so as to which career to choose.
What do you think your impact will be as a career guru to build in building students' careers?
See, I think the most important aspect of this role will be to guide the students to choose the right career at the right time so that they have enough time to prepare themselves to have a successful career. So it is just being a guide in choosing at the right time. Right time is very important, Shreyas. That's what I feel.
You have been doing a lot of activities with children and students. So, what do you think are their real needs so that Dheya can help you work with them?
Okay. The real need, I think, is for the child to make the child understand what his interests are or what his latent abilities and are there so that we can develop the required skill set so as to help him to choose a career which suits his maybe interests, maybe his family background, and accordingly he develops the skill set.
As you know, Dheya has been doing a lot of activities in career mentoring and career guidance. So, what do you, apart from students' careers, what do you think Dheya's career building activities will have an impact on their academic achievement as well?
Okay. See, basically what I feel is their initiative will helps the children to be more focused. So whenever the child becomes more focused, automatically his academic achievements also will improve because there also he becomes more focused. So Dia maybe trains the children to be more focused to achieve the goal when it comes to maybe career part of it. But then the skill which we develop is being focused. So that definitely will help to improve their academic achievements also.
What advice would you like to give to today's parents in order to help build their child's career?
Okay. Advice would be do not pressurize your child. Just give them enough support to choose the career of their choice and let them only decide the path. Like suppose
Correct.
the child wants to become a chef. So let the child decide that
Right.
yes, if I want to become a chef, what is the path? Like, should I be doing like hotel management course? Which college is good? Let the child himself or herself decide the path. So as a parent, what we should be doing is just giving all necessary support. So it should be a emotional support, a moral support, and definitely financial support is also there. So the parent's role is more like a friend there who will be guiding the child.
I sincerely thank you for taking out time for us today and sharing your experience with us. Thank you very much. And I thank you all for watching this episode today. I'm sure you must have found it inspirational, informative, and enlightening. Stay tuned and stay safe. Until next time.